So hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about what Web 3.0 is, how cryptocurrency ideas tie into the evolution of our current internet, and also what it means for you as a user. So in order to understand what Web 3.0 is, we need to look into what Web 1.0 and 2.0 are. So the key topics that we are going to discuss in this video are an overview of how the internet was, that is Web 1.0, an overview of how the internet is, Web 2.0, and an overview of decentralized internet, that is Web 3.0. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about Web 1.0. It's an initial overview of what the internet was, that is the period from 1991 to 2004. The web pages was only static, that is, they were only read-only, and it lacked dynamic components such as we can now interact with various posts and also create content in this phase of the web. But at that time, there were no features such as logging into a website or interacting with posts, like liking it or sharing the content as we do on Instagram or Facebook or any social media for that matter. So users were typically consumers. So with that being said, let's move on to Web 2.2, that is the period from 2004 to the present. So companies like Facebook, Google, YouTube started collecting data from us to provide better services, which in turn made us stay longer on their websites. And they made money out of this. And eventually they started moving on to targeted advertising, in which specifically tailored ads are shown to the users based on the data given by them knowingly or unknowingly. And most importantly, people have now become content creators in addition to consuming content on the internet. And finally, there is a lack of privacy and control over our own data, which is a problem that Web 3.0 tries to solve, which we'll see in a second. So next up, let's talk about Web 3.0, which is a current topic of discussion. So it is known as the next evolution of the current internet. It's a decentralized internet that is based on blockchain technology. So instead of the current client-server architecture that we have today in the current internet, it's a peer-to-peer architecture. Therefore, it can be considered analogous to a big torrent network. And also, most importantly, Web 3.0 claims that we will have full control over our own data. Applications are hosted on the nodes of the blockchain and are called decentralized apps, or dApps for short. So next up, let's talk about a case study of a platform called Odyssey, which has moved on to Web 3.0. So it's a blockchain alternative to YouTube. It's a platform where people upload videos and earn library tokens or cryptocurrency. So library credits or library tokens are cryptocurrencies issued to people when they share their own videos, grow their channel, or invite others to join Odyssey. And one more important thing to be noted about Odyssey is that the video sharing cannot be stopped. For example, if someone uploads a video, other people can technically download the video and let others also watch the video and download it as well. So with that being said, let's wrap up today's session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one.